A deep freeze has gripped large swathes of the US after a monster storm killed at least 35 people from the northeast to the deep south. The causes include hypothermia as well as accidents related to traffic, sledging, all-terrain vehicles as well. In Texas, 3 brothers, ages 6, 8 and 9, they died after falling through an icy pond across the street from a house where they were staying. 7 people were killed when the plane they were traveling in crashed while taking off in a snowstorm in Maine. Electricity began blinking back on across the south, but according to the tracking site, power outages as of Tuesday morning, more than 540,000 customers remained without it. Tennessee, Texas, Mississippi and Louisiana in the south were especially impacted. More than 9,000 flights were disrupted as the storm paralyzed transportation across the country. According to preliminary figures on the National Weather Service snowfall reports tool, the heaviest snowfall of 31 inches occurred in Bonneau Falls, New Mexico, followed by East Napanoch in upstate New York. The National Weather Service warns that much of the northern half of the country will remain continuously below freezing through 1st of February.